But we're in... They want to make sure you go to Venza. So, glove box. Hook. Pull it out. Push in. Pull out. There you go. Did it with one hand. Now, filter. Filter. Let's see. Do we squeeze and pull out this way? Looks like we squeeze this side and pull out this way. Lucky, lucky what we've got here. Ooh, she needs to be changed there. Now, it is a tray. You see? You pull it right out. Slap a new one in. Let's see what they call for this. Wow, I think so dirty you can't even see it. Let's put that back. Let's try this side. Nothing. Let's see. Is there a number anywhere? Do not see one. But it is definitely dirty. Definitely needs a new one. Nothing on the tray. Okay, well, I guess we're guessing. We'll put the link in the description as always. And we're going to put it right back. Make sure it's up. There you go. This side in. Make sure this is up. I still don't see a part number other than 3. So there we go. Push this side, align this side in. And that is all he wrote. Now, if this pops off on you, this is going to suck, but you're going to have to open this door. Let's open this door and see what happens. All right, well, there's nothing on that side. Here we go. All right, so if this pops off on you, I'll take it off just to see if I can mimic. No, it's actually pretty sturdy. There's holes in here. It might even be a screw. No, you see that little, you see it moving? See that's what you want to align back up. You could probably pop it off to replace it, that little shock. See, it looks like 2 little end of my finger right there. Just a hole, like it's on top over here is a hole. Just pop it in. I'm not going to intentionally try to take it out, but there you go. So that just pops right back. This pops back on. And like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.